Hello guys, so welcome to day 3 of the journey. So today I am at Calabar. From here I am leading to a certain island where I will take the boat from Nigeria to Cameroon. This is the hotel I lodged. I'll leave the name down there, even though it's not as good. It's not something that I recommend for anyone, but yeah, I'll just leave it in case anyone still wants to use it. I spent 7,000 naira on it, and they had nice food. I enjoyed their food. But yeah, let's go on with the journey. We leave from Calabar to the island. Let's go.
From Calabar to the peninsula coast, 500 naira, and this is the type of car you go with.
Don't let this be our final song.
So I just got to this part of the journey. I'll try and put a name down there. Here you take a motor, that's a motorbike from here to JT. Yeah, you take motorbike from here to JT. That's where you board the boat to Cameroon. So yeah, this is how it looks like over here. It's more like a small town. It's very crowded. I don't know, almost every part of Lagos was crowded. Calabar is better. Delta State is better. But I don't know for, yeah, this part is quite crowded. I think it's a marketplace. Yeah, that's why. So let's see how it goes. I check over here, and I have to take a walk from where I was asked to alight down to the shore. I just go here. This is the Bakassi Peninsula where I'll be boarding. Yeah, okay. Where I'll be boarding the boat to Cameroon. It's actually costing me 15,000 naira to take the boat from here to the condo. And yeah, so far I've enjoyed this part of Nigeria to the rest of the states. The kind of tension, and you move with so much tense. But here I kind of feel relaxed. Yeah, so this is how it looks like.
Before holding, normally they have people that goes to a condo city from the Bakassi Peninsula, but I was unfortunate to get there at the wrong time, so they delayed me from the morning till somewhere 4 p.m. That's where we have people who were also traveling from Bakassi to a condo city, so we had to set off very late, which was not advisable.
Step in the water to get journey I've ever taken in my life. It's actually nice though. It feels good after so many days of stress, but I don't know whether I would want to do this again.
Seeing the sunset was one of the best experiences throughout the 2 hours journey on the boat. I love most things about nature, and one of the best things you could ever see is seeing people live their life on such a big water. It was one of the most inspiring things I saw on my way to Cameroon, especially.
Weather right now is going to rain. I'm really afraid right now because one, I don't even like to be on the water, and two, being on the water where it's going to rain, that's crazy. I don't know how I'm going to take this. I can see the tender light from my head and it's carrying me off. I want to be whether to ask the guy to take us back then it's going to rain. Imagine raining on boats. There is no shade for us. It's crazy, but I hope I make it through. Yeah.
I met this guy on board who was very funny. He told me a bit of his experience traveling from Ikondotiti to Nigeria back and forth all the time because due to his business or the nature of his business, he has to always use this route to Nigeria. And
so that one to be the same amount.
so he told me his experience traveling with other boats, which cost 4,000 to 5,000. Sometimes it takes them a day or two to get to their destination.
This one be 2 hours. This one be 4 hours. 4. Oh.
Because of the Ambazonia war, it's very hard for you to be conducting such business because they are very deadly. After encountering him, I have come to agree with him. Be contemptuous with what you have. Be grateful for what you have, yet resist the urge to stay in your comfort zone.
At the moment, and I don't really know if you guys can hear me, but it's no more fun. I don't know whether I should have waited or probably do another adventure, but this one is actually crazy. I don't know how to explain the feelings, but I know this is not something that I would wish for. In as much as I am enjoying the whole journey, I don't like the rainy parts because I didn't even prepare for this. I don't have anything on me. No rubber, nothing to cover myself. This guy is not bothered at all. He's very fine. Apparently he's been doing this all his life, so right now, and now the rain has stopped. Someone is alighting, so we have to wait for the person to get off and we continue our journey. It's better here, it's not raining out here. I hope it doesn't start again because I'm very cold.
These manic thoughts won't go away. I hope you're thinking and feel the same. Your silhouette, it dissipates.
It was getting late, around 6:30, still on the water, so at some point we had to sail through for more than 35 minutes without light, as you can see. We got to Ekonotiti around 7:35 p.m. and we had to go through all the immigration processes, which at that time I had no place to stay, so they showed me a guy's house where I paid 4,000 CFA to spend the night. I couldn't even get food to eat because I was very tired, soaked, and the best thing of all that I wanted at that moment was to rest. This part was a security zone, and I couldn't film because filming could lead to a lot of issues, especially where I couldn't speak French. And traveling to these countries without speaking French was one of my terrible experiences because anyone at all could take advantage of you. After paying the 10,000 francs, we started our journey, and in like an hour to 15 minutes time, the boat got spot, where we had to wait on the water to fix the boat. It took us over 30 minutes, and imagine having in mind there are rebels or pirates who could come from nowhere to attack you was one of the crazy and most frightening experience I had on that very day.
It's been such a very tiring and scary journey, but I just got to Edina, that's Cameroon. It's not been easy so far. I think I'll share the story later on. But yeah, this is a lesson learned. Yeah, because peace, guys.
After going hungry throughout the night, this is my first meal in Cameroon, in Nana, plantain with fish, and my favorite drink in Cameroon, Jano. Overall, I had a very stressful journey to Cameroon. I think it was worth the experience. I've learned a lot and every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, hit on the like button, don't forget to share.